a massive, huge Dollar Tree haul. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna jump straight into today's video and show you guys the jackpot that I hit. But I did pick up some of these poster sticker letters. Love these, are great for crafting with as well, not just for like posters and projects. So if you have like a craft room, these would be a great item to add to like your supplies. So I love those. This is also gonna be great for like command centers and, you know, just like labeling things maybe. I really like that black and white. I also picked up these cards. I've picked them up before in Florida. I actually grabbed quite a few of these. I decided to get some more. All of my stuff are currently in pods. Most of you already know Loki might tip over the... So I just decided I wanted to grab them again. These are super cute. I'll just show you the back, kind of gives you an idea of what the little cards look like inside. You already know that this is just like my favorite stuff for junk journaling. I also decided to get this Alice in Wonderland puzzle. This has been around for a while. This is a 100-piece puzzle. Here's what it looks like when you're finished. Puzzles are also a really great item to pick up from a junk journaling perspective. You don't have to actually put the whole puzzle together, but you can use the little pieces as like decorative embellishments in your junk journal. So I thought this one was really cute. Might use that. Okay. Then I picked up, where do I go next? Okay, I found a bunch of like new like children's stuff. So I found an anime coloring book. I wanted to point this out specifically because we rarely see anime at Dollar Tree. So I wanted to make sure that I grabbed this to let you guys know, you know, all the new stuff that's coming in. That's really what I like to showcase on my channel. So if you just kind of like need to know what's going on at Dollar Tree, I haul several times a week. So hoping to get these items in front of you as like fast as I can so that you know they're there, because stuff at Dollar Tree just sells out insanely fast. Okay, next up, I found these eye draws. We've seen this before, but these might be new. So we have a fantasy option and a farm option. So, you know, it just kind of helps you to draw certain things. It gives you like a step-by-step, which is really cool. This is gonna be awesome for like teachers or whatever, or if you're like a homeschooling your kids, or even if you just want to like ship off, you know, some care packages to the nieces, nephews, kids, grandkids, whatever. I also picked up the color forms. This is a really cool concept that I've seen at Dollar Tree kind of recently in like the last year or so. And I've noticed that they put out new ones as well. So I picked up Frozen, and essentially it's like a scene. You get these scenes and then you place the stickers within the scene however you want. Like that's the premise. So we've got Frozen, which is cool. We've got Arthur. I really like Arthur because I thought that this was super colorful. I might try to incorporate this into like a junk journal. So all of these I'm gonna put in like my future craft room. And then I also found Jurassic Park. This is so thin and compact, like if you're traveling with the kids, by planes, trains, automobiles, whatever it may be, this could be, you know, keeping them occupied. And then we've got the Disney princesses. So super cute. Again, you just like place the stickers that they give you in the scenes. So I found those. Then I found this color form option. It's like the same brand. Was this the only one that I got? I don't know if I have another one. Maybe I do, but this is really interesting the way they like broke it down. But how cute is that? This is gonna be a great pickup too for junk journal. Like they look like cute little postcards, which is absolutely darling, but I guess it's like a little mini version of that. Yeah, it looks like you get different outfits that you can place on her. So it's kind of like paper dolls is what I'm assuming. Like this is very similar to that. So this concept is definitely very recently new, whereas like this option I think has been around for a year or so. So putting you guys on that. Then I also grabbed these little like carry activity sets. Is this color forms too? I don't think so, but we've got Disney. This is Buzz Lightyear. So you get one mini marker, and then you get a bunch of activity sets in here. I really don't know what's going on with these options. It looks like you're trying to find the differences between the two, so I think maybe that's what you're trying to spot, like spot the difference. And then, yeah, it looks like the same thing for My Little Pony. And then when you look on the back here, again, for my junk journalers, like these cards would be super cute, kind of like, you know, cut out and use individually. Let's go ahead and open this one. I just kind of want to see. Oh, that is really good to work with from a junk journal perspective. So absolutely love that. Here's Arthur as well. Now this one looks like hidden picture pages. So I love that all these little activity sets on the go have like different things that you can do. So you could pick all of them up and then like each one's gonna be unique. Here's Jurassic Park again. This one's also similar to Arthur. So these seem to be like the same concept. Okay, next up, I picked up a bunch of these little wood craft stickers with the bees and then the ladybugs. Super cute. Junk journaling supplies. I also found this Rapunzel little activity set with all of these markers in here, and then it looks like color by number, which is really fun. Yeah, I mean, great size. You can throw in a backpack, purse, whatever, you know. Are you gonna sit at the DMV for 12 hours? There you go. You know what I mean? Okay, next up, I want to show you guys, I got some cards. They are super cute. This one is a repeat. I just had to get it again. I love the ice cream cone, and what is so unique about it is that they did a floral take on it, which is really cute. Love that. Then I picked up this one. I definitely thought that I could use like this image. I'm being more drawn to like colorful things. I'm not usually a very colorful person, so lately I'm really looking at color for junk journal supplies. So I could like cut all this out, keep the butterfly, create pockets and pages and all kinds of things with these cards for junk journaling. Look at this one. This one's just absolutely beautiful. You could actually turn this into a mini journal within your junk journal. So you can sew, pop your holes. If you watch junk journal videos, you'll definitely see how that's done. You can put in additional pages and then you'll have spaces to write. But also just want to point out, this is completely blank. This, I'd rather see more cards like this in my opinion than anything else. But obviously cards are for birthday, sympathy, get well, you know. And then I picked up this one. I just really liked all the ice cream cones in the metallic. I definitely saw myself kind of cutting around and just like using the ice cream cones individually. So I got that. Okay, in this bag, I had to get some storage bags. I'm in an Airbnb, so I'm just finding myself, you know, obviously getting little things like that. I also picked up some puzzles. Why did I feel like I just heard something? I don't even know. I picked up this puzzle right here. Very Lisa Frank to me. Here's the full puzzle. So I'm assuming that each little puzzle piece is gonna have like really bright colors, and that's gonna be really fun to work with from a junk journaling perspective. And just to kind of give you guys, like, I don't know, it's hard to see each puzzle, but like it's really cool. Yeah, you could definitely junk journal with those. So I found that. Like, you know what, there's stickers in this haul, like, not even gonna. I am a sticker junkie from Dollar Tree. So I can't ever leave this store and not throw one into my cart, even if it's a duplicate. This one is super darling. I love the rubber ducky and this plaid teddy bear. Like, what? Super cute. And then I found this little list pad with the strawberries again. I love this. But this one's about to like expire because it is 2023. So if you like it for the strawberry moment, grab it now, or else you're probably never gonna see it again. Then I found these like composition notebook dupes in the teaching tree section. You get 4 of these, but they're just like blank notebooks on the inside. Completely blank. These are great for teachers, you know. I mean, 4 for $1.25, you know. Because I know a lot of teachers spend their own money on this stuff. So we've got that. I also picked up a bunch of hair clips, and these are matte. I love the colors. I think I thought that I had another one, but maybe not. So I know there's actually more color options. I think I'm probably missing some, but I'm getting more drawn to hair clips from Dollar Tree lately. Let me see if there's any. Yeah, here we go. I knew there was like a blue in here. So that's the set that I found. The black one, like, I'm obsessed with the black one. So that was really exciting. Here's the other puzzle that I got. I actually showed it in a previous haul, but yeah. If you did not watch that haul, I'll link it down below. Yeah, actually all this in this bag I actually hauled in that video, like the metallic tissue paper, more stickers. I'll link it down below. Okay, then I also picked up these hair elastics. These are also brand new. And look at this, like, not microfiber, but what material is that? It's damage free. You get 10 in here, but whatever material this is, it's new. I've not seen hair ties at Dollar Tree like that. So, and then as I was standing in line waiting to check out, I saw this little sunglass holder with the daisies, and I thought it was absolutely precious. I grabbed it because I thought, can I somehow cut out these daisies? They're definitely sewn in, so I really don't know how I would handle that from a junk journaling perspective, but I definitely saw myself kind of like cutting it away from the pink. We'll see if I can manage that. Okay, then I found these, which are foil flakes. Like, what? I found gold, silver, and copper. Absolutely stunning. Crafter Square. Who saw the haul where I found these brand new flashcards, or like cards, and I said I have to go back and get more because they are by far the cutest freaking cards I've ever seen, and I'm so lucky that I found more. I got 3 just to show you guys kind of like the illustration style. That's damn precious to me. And that's like a junk journaling dream. I think it's so cute. I think it's colorful. The illustration is just so unique and adorable. So had to stock up. And then while I was there, I actually found like a Transformers option. Who actually grew up watching the original Transformers cartoon? Comment down below. I mean, I remember watching, look at that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at Bumblebee. There's Optimus. Yeah, super cool. Love seeing, I just appreciate Dollar Tree so much when they just like keep giving us new stuff. It's so nice. Okay, then I found this LA Colors roll-on gloss, and then I went to this other store, and I was actually just running in for Band-Aids, and the other store had more of the options, but I didn't grab them. So maybe in the next haul I'll find the whole set. But this color coconut, I'm trying this. It looks like glass. As a matter of fact, I thought that's what it said, roll-on glass. I don't know, but it's coconut. Oh, the roller works, ladies. Ooh, it's so nice. I'm definitely getting coconut. That's going in my purse immediately, and I love this packaging. It's actually kind of giving me like Kim Kardashian packaging with like her makeup, whatever that line. I don't know, something about like, it just kind of reminds me of that. But okay, next up, very exciting find, but I am missing one to the collection. I found these brand new books at Dollar Tree. I got Peter Pan, Wizard of Oz, and Treasure Island, but I am missing Alice in Wonderland. So I am now officially on the hunt. I have to have Alice in Wonderland. It is black and white, but when I looked at this and I looked at the cover, I was like, this is also so amazing for junk journaling. I can cut out the pages and sew them as into my junk journalist signatures. There's even illustrations in here, which will be so cute. Here's Wizard of Oz. Look at that. So cute. Just trying to find like the illustration pages for you guys. But yeah, you get the gist. Like so cute. And then Peter Pan. I love the options of the 4. Like Peter Pan, Treasure Island, Wizard of Oz, and Alice in Wonderland. I don't know. It's somehow the perfect quartet. Okay, so we got those, and that is actually going to be it for today's video. Definitely come back tomorrow for more items from Dollar Tree. I mean, let me just give you a sneak peek. I saw these freaking candy corn pumpkins and I died. Who remembers when like I completely switched one year? I was like, oh my god, I have to do candy corn. And I'm not a candy corn person. As a matter of fact, I remember thinking I would not decorate with candy corn, and now it's all I want to do. It's all I want to do, and Dollar Tree went and put out these freaking pumpkin picks, and they're gorgeous, and look how huge they are. So we're gonna have a lot of fun tomorrow with fall and Halloween stuff. So come back, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell. YouTube will notify you when all my videos come out, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.